In this video, I am going to show you how to host a React app on Netlify in just 2 minutes. And if you prefer reading or blog, then I am also providing the step-by-step guide to this video in the description down below. So make sure to check it as well after watching this video. Now let's get started. First things first, we need to create a React app. You can use the create React app command to create a new app. Open your terminal and run the following command. Now if you have already created a front-end React app and just need to host it somewhere, then you can skip this one and jump to step number 2. The next step is to push your app to GitHub. Create a new repository on GitHub and push your app to it. If you are new to GitHub, check out my previous video on how to use it. Now go to netlify.com and sign up for a free account. Once you are signed in, click on Sites, Add New Site, and there on the right hand side, click on Import an existing project. Here select GitHub, provide your GitHub login details, and once you are done, just click on the link that says Configure the Netlify app on GitHub. And here you need to select the repository you just created. Netlify will automatically detect that it's a React app and it will build and deploy it for you in just 2 minutes. And then your app will be live on the internet. So there you go, my website is live and I got a link to my website. Now you can also change the URL to your site. Just click on Site Settings and change site name. I will set it to, let's say, my channel's name, that is CodeWithMasood, and there you go. Now our domain name has been changed to codewithmasood.netlify.app. You can also choose a custom domain, but for that you need to pay or attach your domain that you have purchased in the past. And that's it. Hosting a React app on Netlify is super easy and takes just 2 minutes. If you have any questions, leave them in comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on web development and programming. At last, thanks a lot for watching and I will see you in the next time.